Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open a door without a doorknob. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this door and it doesn't have a doorknob or a door handle on it. If you're in a situation like this where the doorknob has broken off or it's not on the door and you need to open it up, there's a very easy and straightforward way to do it, okay? So first of all, if you are on the side of the door where you have access to this, which would be either side of the door. So if you're on either side of the door, you need access to this little hole right over here. And the way that you would open the door would be to get this to go in like that, okay? So that's really what it comes down to. You need to get this little latch to go in, okay? Now, how do we do that? Well, if you look right over here, you're gonna look towards the bottom or the top of this little hole inside of this. And I'll zoom in and show you in just a moment. But let me do it from far away right now, and then I'll zoom in and show you again. You're gonna need anything. It can be a pencil, a pen, a screwdriver, anything. Something like a screwdriver works best because it's long and thin and it's metal, so it's nice and durable and strong. And you're gonna wanna latch onto a part right here that sort of has an edge to it and then pull it away from the latch of the door. So watch this. If I get my screwdriver and I pull this away, you can see that I pulled that latch in and now I can go ahead and I can open the door, okay? So I'm gonna zoom in and show you exactly what that looks like. Let's zoom in, do some high-tech editing skills over here. If you take a look right over here, you can see that there's a little part, I'll point the screwdriver to it right over here. The screwdriver is resting on the part that I'm talking about, okay? And what I'm doing is I'm taking that and I'm just sliding it, I'm pulling it away from the latch of the door, just like that. And as I pull it away, you can see that it goes like that with the latch, and it slipped off that time. But you can see that I'm actually unlatching the door, which would allow me to open it, okay? So you're obviously gonna have to use quite a bit of force, and this door is actually just resting against the wall. But you're gonna use quite a bit of force, just like that, and you can go ahead and unlatch the door. Push it in as much as you can, and you can unlatch the door, okay? And you can see that there's actually a spot on the bottom, which is definitely easier to access, but there's also one on the top. It's just a little bit harder to get to, but there is one on the top, as you can see right over there. That's it, okay? Once you have it unlatched, so once you have that part in, you can then move the door so you can actually exit the room or enter the room, whichever one you're trying to do. And it's literally that simple. That is how it's done. The door handle or the doorknob, that's all that it really does, is it just, when you turn it, it moves this to the side. So you're just reenacting whatever the doorknob or door handle would be doing. That said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.